Hey guys, welcome to any channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the following issue on Windows 11 or in any Windows. It's when you try to run any command in CMD, you will see this error that the command is not recognized as an internal or external command. So that usually happens because you have typed something wrong. So that's usually a spelling mistake. You can simply fix it just by watching the name of the file which you're trying to run on CMD. So as you can see, I have typed this program's name wrong. I'm going to fix it. I'm just going to erase this line, and that's it, guys. Now let's try it again if the command executes or not. And that's it, guys. So that's how you can fix the command is not recognized issue in CMD. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.